We are celebrating National Apprenticeship Week with our apprenticeship sponsors. With me today is Dan Coffey, Director of Cianbro Institute. So Dan, what does an apprentice do at Cianbro?
Good morning. So an apprentice at Cianbro, we offer apprenticeships in a variety of disciplines, which include pipe fitter, millwright, electrician, iron worker, carpenter. We have a line worker and a substation apprenticeship as well. And so primarily the way that our apprenticeships are structured is we'll bring folks into the Cianbro Institute for a week-long block sessions 4 different times throughout the year. So really their job during those weeks is to focus on their learning through that combination of classroom and hands-on instruction. And these folks, they'll actually continue to receive their normal wage while they're in class. So following their block sessions, they head back out in the field where they can really apply that classroom-related instruction and continue to learn on the job. So, really depending on what discipline they go into, they're going to come out the other side in 2 to 4 years as a journey level tradesperson. They're going to be making journey level wages, and they'll have 0 debt.
That's awesome. So there's a variety of different pathways apprentices can take. How would they actually start that process and become an apprentice with Cianbro?
Yeah, so at Cianbro, team members, they'll earn an endorsement into the program. So there's different pathways that team members can take to earn that endorsement. One avenue that I wanted to highlight today is through our industrial construction boot camp, right? So we run those periodically throughout the year, and we'll hire folks right into those boot camps. They really don't have to have any construction experience, and we'll pay them to learn the fundamentals within a particular trade. And if they graduate, they'll receive a job site assignment and head out to the field as a helper within that discipline that they've been learning throughout that 3-week program. Now, you heard me say if they graduate, what I mean by that is we're constantly looking, are they maintaining a positive attitude? Are they showing up on time every day, have the ability and desire to learn and grow? And do they really, embrace our safety culture? And if the answer is yes to all those, it's likely that they're going to graduate. While they're working in the field with their supervisor, right, that supervisor is going to be watching them for all those same attributes I mentioned. And if they continue to display those, they'll be eligible for an endorsement into one of our apprenticeships.
That sounds great. And Cianbro has been a registered sponsor of apprenticeship for over 20 years. How has the Maine Apprenticeship Program benefited Cianbro as an organization?
So really, working with the Maine Apprenticeship Program, it's been a really great partnership. Everyone is extremely helpful, and really they genuinely want to see companies succeed in providing a quality workforce development program. And so if there's companies that are out there that have really been pondering if apprenticeships for them or not, I'd really encourage them to reach out to MAP just to talk through the process. One thing I can say is here at Cianbro, we've worked with multiple states on apprenticeship, and Maine is truly one of the best to work with.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much for your time today, and keep up the great work.
Thank you for having me.